You are optimizing the performance of DAX measures in a Power BI semantic model that utilize multiple calculate and filter functions. Under which of the following circumstances is replacing a filter function with KEEPFILTERS the recommended approach to reduce measure execution time? Option A, when the filter function includes a nested calculate expression. Option B, when the filter function relies on another measure.
Option C, when the filter function evaluates columns across multiple tables. Option D, when the filter function is applied to a single column in an import node table. To understand this, consider that filter operates as an iterator that processes every row in a table. We are looking for the specific scenario where switching to KEEPFILTERS improves efficiency by changing how those filter operations are executed within the semantic model.
In my view, the correct answer is option D, when the filter function is applied to a single column in an import mode table. The filter function is an iterator that evaluates expressions row by row across an entire table, which can be computationally expensive. KEEPFILTERS, by contrast, modifies the existing filter context directly rather than performing a full iterative scan of the table.
This is highly efficient when filtering a single column because it avoids the overhead of the filter iterator entirely. Options A, B, and C describe scenarios involving complex calculations or cross-table dependencies that are not inherently solved by this specific replacement. Therefore, the most effective use case for this optimization is when dealing with simple column-based filters within a single table.